Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gooding, local and long distance movers near me. Choosing the right movers will give you access to the right options, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you choose to work with us, your long-distance move becomes much harder. We give you plenty of options to help you get to where you need to go. Whether you're going 100 miles or 2,000 miles, we can make your relocation smoother. With the right Idaho moving company, your local move becomes so much easier. It's a big job to handle any type of move. The packing, loading of the truck, unloading, and unpacking is a massive job. Even with a few family members to help, it can likely become overwhelming quickly. Choosing to hire 3 men and a truck means you don't have anything to worry about. Our team of movers will help you get to your new location faster. We know how to streamline the entire process. A move that will take you all week, we can do in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Gooding moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.